everyone, this video is presented by Fairchance for CRM. Today I am going to introduce our HR and payroll system developed in Zoho Creator. Managing HR and payroll manually can be time consuming, stressful and full of errors. Many companies face common challenges such as delayed salary processing, incorrect attendance records, overtime miscalculations, leave management issues and difficulty in tracking employee performance. Approval process for overtime, leaves and reimbursement often becomes slow because they depend on manual follow-ups and paperwork. This not only wastes time but also affects employee satisfaction and overall productivity. To solve these challenges, we designed a complete HR and payroll system in Zoho Creator. Our solution automates attendance tracking, leave management, overtime approval, salary calculation, provident fund setup and payslip generation. HR can easily manage employee records, approve requests, and ensure compliance with company policies from one centralized platform. With this system, overtime approval flows smoothly from HR to management and are automatically reflected in payroll. Leave balances are updated in real time and salary slips are generated automatically without manual effort. Provident fund calculations are applied based on predefined percentages, reducing compliance risk and ensuring transparency. The biggest benefit of our solution is efficiency and accuracy. It saves time, reduces human error, improves approval speed and gives management better visibility into workspace operation. Employees also enjoy a smoother experience because their requests, salary and records are handled quickly and professionally. In short, our Zoho Creator and HR payroll system transform traditional HR operations into a smart, automated and reliable process that help business growth with confidence. So in our upcoming videos, we will show you the following functionalities of our HR and payroll system: employee record handling, employee dashboard, probation policy, leave process, overtime handling, attendance management, shift handling, travel policy, loan setup, commission structure, approval process, payroll process, provident fund handling, reports for HR and admin.